Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to take the notes on gustar. So you watched the video and did the work in Schoology. Now we're going to take notes on this new verb, gustar. So I am in your 7th grade OneNote, Chapter 2, page 12, Verb Gusta Notes. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents and make the notes big so that you can see what we're doing. So the verb gustar is, sorry, I'm switching over to tablet mode. Okay, so the verb gustar, although in English we would more commonly translate this verb to mean to like, in Spanish what it really means is to be pleasing to. Okay, I just want to make my tip a little bit smaller for this. Okay. In Spanish, the verb gustar is different than most verbs. It doesn't change based on the person doing the action. It changes based on the number of things that someone likes. The number of things, I'm going to say liked. Let me fix it. The number of things liked. Okay, this is called a backwards verb in Spanish. And let's think about why. Okay, so usually the verb in English would be, in Spanish would be yo blank americano. Okay, and the verb looks forward to see who the person is. It's based on the person, right? Yo soy americano. That's a forward verb. For gustar, it looks like this. Okay, and then I'll do los animales. So on this one, the verb is not going to look forward to see who does the liking. The verb is actually going to work backwards to see how many items. Los animales is 2 or more items, and that's going to send me to gustan. So the items determine the verb. So that's backwards. To start with gustar, we're going to learn how to say what you like or don't like. When you talk about yourself, you use the yo form of the verb. So gustar is different. We're not going to conjugate it to make it match yo. We're going to remember that if it's one thing, we're going to say me gusta. Me gusta. If it's 2 or more things, we're going to say me gustan. Both of these mean I like. We're just changing to gustan if the item is more than one. Please pause the video as needed so that you can complete the items before I explain them. Examples: circle the orange, correct way to express I like. Number 1, the bears are pleasing to me, or I like the bears. Notice there are 2 bears. Would it be me gusta los osos or me gustan los osos? It would be, because bears is plural, it would be me gustan los osos. Okay. Me gusta or me gustan el perro? How many dogs are there? Just one. So it would be me gusta el perro. And remember, it's the dog is pleasing to me. In English, we would say I like the dog. Número 3. The flowers are pleasing to me, or I like the flowers. Me gusta or me gustan las flores? That's right. It should be me gustan because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. That's definitely more than one. The next one, el gato. Me gusta el gato or me gustan el gato? Well, there's only one cat, so it would be me gusta el gato. I like the cat, or the cat is pleasing to me. Let's continue on. Okay, again, when you're talking about yourself and it's one thing, you would say me gusta. When it's 2 or more items, me gustan. Just a note to say, this is a note, to say that you don't like something, it's actually very simple. You would put the word no in front of me gusta or me gustan. Remember, what you're really saying is the item is not pleasing to you. So to say the snake is not pleasing to me or I don't like the snake, I would have to put no first to negate the liking. And now I have to look at el serpiente. How many snakes are we talking about? Just one. So is it gusta or gustan? That's right. It would be gusta. So to say I don't like the snake, I would say no me gusta el serpiente. Now you try. Me blank las frutas. Because frutas is plural, would it be gusta or gustan? It would be gustan. How do you make it negative? Now, to make it negative and say the fruits are not pleasing to me or I don't like the fruits, you have to write next to it, no me gustan las frutas. Okay, and here's the negation. Now give your opinion by circling the smile or the frown to indicate whether you like or dislike the item. The item's name is already written in for you. So these two you need to do right now on your own. And I'll pause for a second so that you can finish it. Now remember, it's either me gusta, no me gusta, or me gustan, or no me gustan. Think about the item. Is it one or more than one? Okay, I'm going to move on now. And this is kind of cool. So, to show a stronger liking or a love of a thing or things, you would change the word gusta or gustan to use encantar, to be enchanted by, or to love an item. Now, notice this is for items and things, not people. That's a different verb. Me encantan los libros románticos. So, you can see right away that encantar has two forms, encanta or encantan, right? With one item, two or more. Okay, so to say I love romantic books, I change gustar to encantan, right? No me gustan, me encantan los libros románticos. To say I love chicken wings, I would say me. Let's look at alas. Is it encanta or encantan? Encantan las alas de pollo. Oh, after today's win, is it I love the Bills? I would have to say me encantan. I went to encantan because it's Los Bills. Now, if I wanted to say I don't love, which is a little bit weird, you would probably say no me encantan. But remember, if you have a single item, like if I wanted to say I love, it's ice cream. I love ice cream, I would say me encanta el helado. So here I went singular because helado is singular. Okay, I hope that helps. Please make sure you go on to do the practice. Gracias.